You just save me, free me out the trap though. Golden hole, got a gun, that go put it out though. And it's real, lost my brothers in the field. Remedies, all I wanna do is just kill.
Hey, never! Justin! We outside with the demons, Liddy Cox, Luke Cox. We out here. We out here and everything. So we out.
And Carlos from NY.
Carlos from your mother block. You heard me? We out of here.
What?
Yes, sir. We out.
Carlos from your mother block.
The dirt and everything. Oh, we out here though. Luke Cox.
Both y'all
I
went downtown? No. I was on EJ.
Let me see, son. My fault, Dad. Son down the hill. Oh. 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 I jumped. He's winning. Bike out here and everything in a scooter version. But we out here right now. We about to link up my boy crib real quick. Then from there we about to go to Dykeman and everything. I already saw the vlog. Stay tuned for this short vlog. We out here in Yankee Stadium and everything. My boy is tight. He got pulled over. What's good, bro? I didn't even know this. Tight. Got the girls out here and everything. Oh, let me see something.
I think it was going.
Go out the car. You ain't gonna go out the car. Let me see something. Let me see something. Show some new blocks. Right there. Oh. Let me see something. Jump the head, new blocks. Right there, right there, right there. That car right there. Oh, watch him. Let me see something. Oh. My boy wet. Hold on. You just did it. Hold on, watch them, watch them. Alright, go, I'm blocking them.
1, 2.
Damn! Let me see some. Hey, never! Justin! He out there wilding right now. Oh, tap dance, tap dance, tap dance. Oh. Oh. Oh, this nigga battles. So we out? Oh. So we out?
Yo, let's stop both of you out.
Yo, we out, bro. So we out, Lewis?
Hold on.
Yo, bro, we out?
Wait. Yeah, we out?
Nah, hold on. Nah, we out. Yo, bro, we out?
Yo, slip my dick, bro.
Oh my God. Yo, everybody stop. We out? Oh, whop the truck. Let me see something. Whop that truck. Beat the lawn. Watch dog. Woo! Woo! Let me see something, Lewis. Ah, man. Let me see something. Let me see the one hand swerve. Watch out. Oh, he's wilding. Oh. Right there. Oh, he's wilding. Now you geeky. Burn him up. Burn him up. Burn him up. Let him burn the stick up. Oh, watch him. Oh. Oh, he's whirling. Learn it. I'm about to pull up on Lewis. Ah. Oh, burn it.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh. But basically right now we about to head down to Dykeman. I don't know, we about to see what's up down there. Oh, watch him. But we about to see what's down there right now. Stay tuned for that. Alright, let me see a cone flip. I missed it. mobbing right now. Oh, keep it up, Lou. We mobbing. He's at the boys. I already know the vibe. We already out here in Dykeman. We cruising in Miami. Hey, oh, we out here. Oh, it's whirling. Let me see something in Dykeman. Let me see the works. Let's go. Oh, he trying to shoot at you. He's trying to shoot at you. He throwing shots at you, Letty. Oh, watch him. Oh. But yeah, we out here in Dykeman right now. We about to go through the parks and everything. Stay tuned. Feel me? With the boys and everything. Yeah, I see the view. I ain't gonna lie, low-key never known about the spot though.
Nah, I learned about it when I got. You saw that bike shop right there?
Yeah.
That's like on a bike shop. It's called Tread. They got everything there. They got hydros.
I know, I peeped, I was in there.
Everything. That nigga, boy. Yo, this nigga is cracked out. Nigga about to shit on me. Look at his eyes. This nigga is fried. This is about to be the thumbnail and everything. What's the stupid you? I go stupid as fuck.
Yo, can I get $1? I need my cigarettes. Yo, no. Yo,
Why that shit bouncing like that?
hey, yo, nah.
That shit went like this, look.
Like
It was going, his back tire was going up and down.
why you looking at his back tire for like that?
Nah, cause he was going fast.
You looking at his cheeks for, hey, yo. Birdies and everything. His whole joint just snapped.
Look at the screw, that shit came off. It's just fucking move.
It's
I
right
think they'll
here.
probably fix it. I'll buy it. We'll buy the piece. If there's a
Oh,
little screw
John
that goes
just came
inside the
in.
crank, go out to the bike shop. You think this pocket moves? Huh? This pocket moves. Nah, but it's going to look. Look how start pedaling, look.
His whole joint just snapped
Look.
off.
See that shit came off, look.
We're at the bike shop to get it fixed. We all back that way. There's a bike shop right there.
They fucking get it. It's a screw, they should have had it, right?
Probably, I don't know. Damn. I'm gonna have to put sad music. Sad nigga music. Bro, get in the pegs. Get in my pegs. Yo, he's struggling right now. Damn, his whole joint just snapped off. But we about to see what we about to do. We right by the bike shop and everything. So we about to see what's up, see if they can fix his bike. Oh my god. Yeah, we out here and everything. We about to see what's up, what they could do with his bike. I don't know what they about to do. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if they're gonna charge him. I don't know what's about to happen, but just stay tuned for that.
Fuck me, daddy! Fuck me,
Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, never. Nah. Well, we're on the train right now, so basically they couldn't. Basically, in the shop, they gave us the little bolt, but they couldn't fix it because his stuff was really stuck inside of the crank. So basically, right now we gotta go to the shop and see what we can do from there. Stay tuned. Damn, we at the shop. Nobody here.
Just wait, bro. Fuck it.
Just wait, bro. Damn. We about to wait a whole hour for my cousin to come here to fix his bike.
Might as well just fix it here.
Might as well wait.
You guys not even gonna take it that long.
But you just want your bike fixed? You wanna ride tomorrow?
You got a moped, bro. Don't care about bikes like that.
You ain't a ooh.
You got the ooh.
You got the hoopty.
What happened to the ooh? What? Batteries down to the ooh? Ah, shit's charged.
I thought you left that in Jersey.
You got a regular mission.
Hey, yo, you want to shout out to your Instagrams? Shout out
Luke
to
Cox.
Luke Cox.
Nah, I missed that. Blue Blocks.
Blue Blocks. L.
It's underscore now.
Yeah.
It is?
Cox. It's Cox.
Blue Blocks, bro.
Blue Cox. Hey, you know, we about to wrap the video up. You heard me? He going home because he can't fix his bike. But yeah, you already know the vibe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow his Instagram. Links will be in the description below. His links will be in the description below. And he's always in the video, you heard me, but stay tuned. Don't forget to like. I think I already said that. But yeah, next time.